This is the RPM1470, a 14-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth, a 7-band EQ, 16 different 24-bit effects, phantom power, and much more. This 750 watts powered mixer is perfect for professional and DJ setups, gigs and concert halls, school and conference events, karaoke, coffee houses, live events, houses of worship, and then in home use for band practices, house parties, and other custom applications. Let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, guys? So here I am with the RPM1470 all set up and ready to go. Got my speakers connected to the mixer, and I'm gonna play some music from my phone here through Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Yeah. Sounds awesome. Oh, yeah. So we can even go up in volume. That's awesome. Really cool. Nice. Now you can also connect up to 12 microphones through the mixer, and along with that we have an effects processor so we can slap on really cool effects along with our vocals. So we got a number of different effects to choose from between all of the different reverbs, delays, etc. So to choose an effect, we can use the preset select wheel here, and for today I'm going to set it to 8, which is a reverb and delay. We can change the parameters for that effect with the parameter knobs here and really fine-tune the sound of the effect. And to hear the effect through the mixer, we're going to want to raise this effect knob here, this effects fader here, and then we're going to want to raise the effects knob on whichever channel we're using the effects with. And we're going to want to raise the effects knob here for whichever channel we want to use the effect with. So now if I talk into the microphone, check 1, 2, you'll hear my voice along with the effect. Again, we can choose another effect with the preset select here. So if I switched it to preset 13, for example,
it sets our voice to the chorus effect, and as you can hear it, there's definitely chorus on there.
So any of these effects can be used to give our voice extra flair for our performances, rehearsals, and karaoke. That's right, so with the Bluetooth compatibility to pair a smartphone or tablet, all of these different microphone inputs, and the different effects we can choose from, the RPM1470 makes for a great karaoke setup. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Now this mixer has a super rugged design with carry handles on the side for portability and ease to move. And the mixer is super user friendly. There are 12 microphone/line channels, but each channel is exactly the same, so let's go through one now. On each channel there is a high quality XDR2 XLR microphone preamp input for microphones, and right below that is a 1/4-inch high Z input/line input. You can use this input for instruments like guitar or bass, line level inputs, and even for microphones with 1/4-inch cables. You just have to set the gain knob and pad button accordingly depending on if you're using a mic, instrument, or line level signal. Each channel also has a 4-band high, high-mid, low-mid, and low EQ knob so you can boost or cut those specific frequency ranges around your preference. On top of the 4-band EQs per channel, there's also a master stereo 7-band EQ over here, so you can really fine-tune the sound of the mixer around your preference, and an EQ kill button if you want to bypass the master EQ. Each channel also has an aux knob that sends the channel signal to the 1/4-inch aux end over here, and a return 1/4-inch input, which you can use if you want to use external effects like compressors, reverbs, delays, etc. But you probably won't need to use external effects because the RPM1470 comes with 16 different effects like reverbs, delays, chorus, flangers, phasers, and rotary speakers. All the effects have 2 parameters you can control listed here on the mixer, and you can use the effects knob on each channel to mix in how much of the effect coming through the channel is permitted. Just make sure the effects fader is up, as this controls the master amount of the effects set. You can also mute the effects going to all of the channels at any time using this mute button here. Each channel also features a pan knob to set the stereo spread of placement of each signal coming through the mixer, and then there is a mute button to quickly mute the channel, a fader to set the overall post gain level of that channel in the main mix, and each channel also has a solo button, which if you click will allow you to hear just that channel through headphones, which you can plug in headphones into this mixer with the 1/4" headphone jack over here. Now channels 13 through 14 is the stereo channel and features RCA inputs for line level signal. Channels 13-14 also has a 2-band EQ and a fader down here. This stereo channel is great for stereo synths, laptops, and also works with the Bluetooth module here that has an LCD display that allows us to toggle through different inputs like USB and Bluetooth. The channels 13-14 fader and gain knob here controls the volume for anything connected through Bluetooth. Over here we have a phantom power switch to activate 48 volts of phantom power if you're ever using a condenser microphone on any channel. There's also an RCA rec out here where you can send the signal of everything coming through the mixer to a recording device and record everything. This is especially useful for conference talks, band practices, and live performances. And finally over here we have our left and right master volume faders, which control the overall volume of the whole mixer. On the back we have our speak-on outputs as well as 1/4" speaker outputs to go to your passive speakers, and we have additional XLR left and right main outputs on the face of the mixer to send signal to another powered mixer, powered subwoofer, or active speaker set, which is great for bigger professional setups. So if you're looking for a portable, powerful, and professional 14-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth and effects, look no further than the RPM1470 from Rockville.